Managing Geo Replication for Azure SQL Scale-Out is a crucial process that enables you to create readable secondary databases in different regions, ensuring business continuity and high availability. To start, you need to understand the key concepts involved in Geo Replication, including active Geo Replication, auto failover groups, and red scale-out. First, active Geo Replication allows you to create up to 4 readable secondary databases in different regions, which can be used for load balancing, disaster recovery, and data integration. Next, auto failover groups enable automatic failover of multiple databases to a different region in case of an outage. To manage Geo Replication, follow these steps. Begin by creating a new Azure SQL database. Then navigate to the Azure portal and select the database you want to replicate. Click on the Geo Replication option and choose the region where you want to create the secondary database. Once the secondary database is created, you can configure the replication mode, either manual or automatic, and set up the failover policy. You can also configure red scale-out by creating multiple secondary databases in different regions and directing read-only workloads to these databases. Best practices for managing Geo Replication include monitoring database performance and latency, testing failover scenarios, and ensuring data consistency across all replicas. You should also consider the costs associated with Geo Replication, including storage, bandwidth, and compute resources. In terms of practical examples, consider a company with a global customer base that needs to ensure high availability and low latency for its database workloads. By using Geo Replication, the company can create readable secondary databases in different regions, directing read-only workloads to these databases and improving overall performance. In conclusion, managing Geo Replication for Azure SQL Scale-Out requires a thorough understanding of the key concepts and steps involved. By following best practices and considering the costs and benefits, you can ensure high availability, business continuity, and low latency for your database workloads.